Good morning, students. In English grammar, we are doing chapter 22. Topic of the chapter is transformation of sentences. After the explanation of the topic, we have done the book filling. In today's class, I will explain you the definition plus exercises related to the lesson only. So, question number 1 is, what is transformation of sentences? Let's see the answer. Transformation of sentences refers to the conversion of sentences from one type to another type without changing the meaning. So when we change a sentence from one type to another type without changing the meaning, it is called transformation of sentences. Now let's see the exercise, that is convert the following sentences as instructed in the brackets. So we have to transform the given sentences as it is instructed in the brackets. First one is, that is the way to the famous mansion, which is an affirmative sentence and we have to change it to negative. So when we have to change an affirmative sentence to negative, we have to change it into interrogative plus negative. So it will be, isn't that the way to the famous mansion? Second sentence is, I do not want to write any more on this topic. So it is negative sentence and we have to change it into affirmative. So we have to write antonyms of some word, that is any more, and it will become enough. The antonym of any more is enough. I have written enough on this topic. Now it became an affirmative sentence. Third sentence is, nobody will accept this shabby work. So this is assertive sentence and we have to change it to interrogative. So it will become, will anybody accept this shabby work? Fourth sentence is, why wait for something that will never happen? That is an interrogative sentence and we have to change it to assertive sentence, which include both affirmative plus negative. So the answer will be, one must not wait for something that will never happen. Fifth sentence is, how pretty you look in that outfit. That is an exclamatory sentence and we have to change it to assertive. So when an exclamatory sentence changes to assertive, it will become a statement and we have to remove the words like how, ls, oh. So now the sentence will be, you look very pretty in that outfit. Sixth one is, Delhi is too hot in summer. That is an affirmative sentence and we have to change it to exclamatory. So we have to use the exclamation words. So it will become, how hot is Delhi in summer? Seventh one is, will his contribution ever be forgotten? That is an interrogative sentence and we have to change it to assertive. Here we will use the antonym of ever, that will be never. So the sentence will be, his contribution will never be forgotten. Eighth one is, I wish I were a bird. That is an imperative sentence and we have to change it to exclamatory. So we have to use the exclamation words like oh, I wish I were a bird. Ninth one is, how disrespectful of her to speak to the man like that. That is an exclamatory sentence again and we have to change it to assertive. Now it will become a statement. So we have to remove the exclamation words like how. So it will be, it is very disrespectful of her to speak to the man like that. 10th one is, they have no sympathy for the poor. That is a negative sentence and we have to change it to interrogative. So it will become, don't they have any sympathy for the poor? 11th one is, we did not succeed in convincing her. That is a negative sentence and we have to change it to affirmative. So we have to use the antonym of succeed, that is failed. We failed to convince her. 12th one is, everyone believes her version of the story. That is affirmative sentence and we have to change it to negative. So we have to use the antonyms of some words, that is everyone and believes. So the antonym of everyone is nobody and believes, antonym is disbelieves. The sentence will be, nobody disbelieves her version of the story. And like that we can transform the sentences from one type to another type and that is called transformation of sentences. I hope everything is clear to all of you. Thank you.